Hi students, good morning. We have discussed yesterday integration of tan x, integration of cot x, integration of sec x. Okay, these formulas we have derived by using substitution method. So integration of tan x is log of sec x, let's see. Integration of cot x, log of sin x plus c. Integration of sec x, log of sec x plus tan x plus c, or log of tan pi by 4 plus x by 2 plus c. Now, today we are going to discuss integration of cosec x. So, integration of cosec x dx equal to formula log of cosec x minus cot x plus c, or log of tan x by 2. These two formulas most important. This is in the form of tan, this is the form of cosec x minus cot x. These two are important. This is for theory, but competitive they may ask this type of formula. Log of tan pi by 4 plus x by 2. This is log of tan x by 2. So you should remember both. Cosec x minus cot x, which is equal to tan x by 2. Yesterday we have proved sec x plus tan x equal to tan of pi by 4 plus x by 2. Let us put this. Cosec x, integration of cosec x dx equal to 1 by sin x. But sin x differentiation is there, which is equal to 1 by sin x. If you want to use substitution method, sin x derivative is not there here, then substitution method is not applicable. To get substitution method, we should multiply some function. Numerator and denominator. So here we have done sec x plus tan x. While solving this, sec x plus tan x multiply by sec x plus tan x, numerator and denominator. The same way here, cosec x multiply by cosec x minus cot x, by cosec x minus cot x, multiply by cosec x minus cot x, numerator and denominator. Okay, which is equal to integration of cosec x into cosec x, cosec square x minus cosec x into cot x dx by cosec x minus cot x. Let cosec x minus cot x equal to t. Apply differentiation with respect of t. With respect of t. Cosec x differentiation minus cosec x into cot x. Minus cot x differentiation minus cosec square x plus cosec square x differentiation with respect of t dx by dt equal to t differentiation with respect of t 1. Therefore minus cosec x into cot x plus cosec square x into dx equal to dt. Now from this integration of cosec square x minus cosec x into cot x dx equal to dt by cosec x minus cot x equal to t. Therefore integration of cosec x dx equal to integration of 1 by dt is log t plus c log of t is equal to cosec x minus cot x plus, or by simplifying here cosec x minus cot x, consider cosec x minus cot x equal to 1 by sin x minus cos x by sin x. By trigonometry formula, 1 minus cos x by sin x. 1 minus cos x equal to 2 sin. 1 minus cos x equal to 2 sin square x by 2. Most important formula is 1 plus cos x equal to 2 cos square x by 2. Sin x equal to 2 sin x by 2 into cos x by 2. Get cancelled. Sin x by 2 by cos x by 2 equal to tan x by 2. One more formula, which is equal to log of tan x by 2 plus c. So far we got all trigonometric integration formulas. Integration of sin x minus cos x. Integration of cos x sin x. Integration of tan x log sec x. Integration of cot x log sin x. Log sin x. Integration of sec x log of sec x plus tan x or log of tan 5/4 plus x by 2. So integration of cosec x log of cosec x minus cot x or log of tan x by 2. Right. See, integration of sin ax plus b dx. Tell me formula. Sin x, this is considered as x. Sin x integration minus cos x. What we have considered as x, that one again apply differentiate. X plus we differentiate a. That's right in denominator. Plus. So if where a is any real number, b is any real number. It may be negative or positive. So it's 2x plus 3, 3x minus 2, 4x minus 11. But x power is 1. It should be linear degree, not square, not x cube, not x square. The power 1 only, this shortcut is applicable. Next, integration of cos of x plus b dx. Sin of x plus b by a plus c. Integration of tan of x plus b dx. Tan x. Now we got certain formula. Tan x integration log of sec x plus tan x or log of tan 5/4 plus x by anyone. Okay, log of sec x. X means x plus b plus sec x plus tan x. Tan x means x plus b into x plus divided by x plus b differentiation is a. Log of sec x. Sorry. Integration of tan x is log of sec x. I thought sec x integration. Integration of tan x. So integration of tan x is log of sec x. X means x plus b by a plus c. Next, integration of cot of x plus b dx equal to log of sin x plus b by a plus c. Here we should model. Integration of sec of x plus b into dx equal to log of sec x plus b plus tan of x plus b sec x plus tan x by e plus c. Right? This we can write in other form also. Log of tan 5/4 plus x is x plus b by 2 mod. Okay, by this x will be differentiation is a plus. The same thing, integration of cosec of x plus b. Log of cosec x plus b minus cot x plus b by a. Or log of tan x plus b by 2 by a. That. Okay. Now, integration of e raised to ax dx equal formula e raised to ax by a plus c. Integration of e power x plus b dx equal to e power x plus b by x plus b differentiation a plus c. Right. Integration of x plus b whole power n dx. This is let consider as x. X raised to n differentiation integration x plus b whole power n plus 1 by n plus 1 in by this differentiation is a. While comparing with here integration of x raised to n dx equal x raised to n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. This formula is applicable or not? How we can check? What here x not there, but we are assuming as x. What we have considered as x, that differentiation you can apply. That differentiation, if the differentiation is constant or 1, then this formula is applicable. The standard formula is applicable. You see here, sin x, the standard formula is sin x integration. Here x, but x not there here. X not there. But x in place of x, ax plus ax plus b differentiation a is constant. Then it is applicable. If it is variable, for example, ax square plus b is there, 2ax, then this standard formula not applicable. Are you following? Yes. The difference between differentiation and integration. Okay. What you have assumed as x, the differentiation it should be constant. Then the standard formula is applicable. Next, integration of 2 raised to 8x plus b dx equal to 2 raised to x. X plus b differentiation is a constant. Then applicable 2 raised to x by log 2 base e. Then x plus b differentiation is a. Exercise 7.2. The exercise 7.2. All the problems depend on by using substitution method. The first question, integrate the functions. First question, integration 2x by 1 plus x square dx. Listen. By seeing this function, okay, which function, whose function derivative is there in the numerator? No, derivative. Here numerator 2x, denominator is 1 plus x square. 1 plus x square differentiation, 2x is in the numerator. Then 1 plus x square equal to t. Are you following? Understood? So let 1 plus x square equal to t. Why should take 1 plus x square equal to t? Because this differentiation is there in the numerator. Which function having differentiation in the numerator, that one considered as t. Okay? 1 plus x square equal to t. Then apply differentiation with respect of t on both sides. One derivative is 0. X square differentiation 2x. X differentiation is dx by dt. T differentiation with respect of t is 1. 2x dx equal to dt. Integration of 2x by 1 plus x square dx. 2x dx equal to dt. By 1 plus x square equal to dt. 1 by dt integration log t plus c. Log of t is 1 plus x square plus c. This is the answer for this. Understood? Integration of 2x by 1 plus x square equal to log of 1 plus x square plus c. After getting this answer, you can verify it. If you apply differentiate this, you get this one. See, d by dx of log of 1 plus x square differentiation. Log x differentiation is 1 by x. 1 plus x square differentiation is 2x. 2x by 1 plus x. Okay. While doing the problem integration, both sides you do. Then the differentiation and integration, what you are facing the problem, that it will be you come to the what is the problem. While at a time you recall differentiation and integration method, then you can identify easily. So this method is applicable for only differentiation. This is for integration. Idea will be it. Are you following? So by differentiation of this, you get this. Okay, integration of 1 by x log x. Integration of derivative of log x is 1 by x. Okay. Next. Second question. Log x whole square by x. Integration log x whole square by x. Here, which function having derivative? Log x differentiation is 1 by x is there. 1 by x is there. Yes. Integration of log x whole square into 1 by x dx. Can I write like this? Now this differentiation is there. Numerator only this. We have considered 1 by x as a 1. Log x differentiation there are not. But 1 by x differentiation is not there. Yes, log x differentiation is there. So let log x equal to t. Which function having derivative in that function, that considered as t. Okay, so let log x equal to t. Now log x differentiation, tell me 1 by x. X differentiation with respect of t, dx by dt. T differentiation with respect of t is 1. Dx equal to transpose this side, x into dt. X into dt. So otherwise write like this, dx by x keep here, let it be dx by x. Why? Because the dx by x is there. Dx by x equal to dt. Okay, now integration of log x whole square, log x equal to d square, dx by x equal to dt. See, converted in terms of t. It's in the form of standard formula, integration x square dx or t square dt. Integration t cube by 3 plus. So t, where t is log x whole cube by 3 plus. Next, third question, 1 by x plus x log x. Integration 1 by x plus x log x dx. Which function derivative is there? Log x. Log x differentiation is 1 by x. But 1 by x not there common, we should take common. Which is equal to 1 by x take common, 1 plus log x dx. Now integration of 1 by 1 plus log x into 1 by x dx. Can I write like this? Tell me which function having derivative? Log x derivative is there. Can I take, instead of log x, can I take 1 plus log x? 1 plus log x differentiation? Same 1 by x, because 1 differentiation is 0. It's not effective. So instead of taking log x equal to t, you consider 1 plus log x equal to t. That is a better. Okay? So let 1 plus log x equal to t. Now apply differentiation with respect of t on both sides. 1 differentiation is 0. Log x differentiation is 1 by x into x differentiation is with respect of t dx by dt. T differentiation with respect of t is 1. So dx by x equal to dt. So integration of 1 by 1 plus log x equal to t into dx by x equal to dt. Converted in terms of t. If not possible to convert in terms of t, if any x is there here, then the substitution method we have done.